Are you young, broke, and stuck wondering how you can start making money in 2025? See, I know you're not lazy. You're not just being showed the real options that actually works. And guess what? You don't even need the capital to start. And in this video, I'll be sharing you real, free, and proven ways you can start making money online right now from your phone, from your laptop, or even with your own hands. And you don't even need to have experience. Like even if you're just a student or you just recently graduated, you can start doing all of these things. I know what it feels like, right? To scroll through your phone all day, feeling like everyone else is making it except you, and you're like, how are these people even making this money? Like how are they making this money? Where is the money? Where is the money at? I want to make this money too. And maybe you've even tried applying to, jobs, or you've taken online classes, but nothing has clicked yet. If this sounds like you, then stick around because I'm about to share five simple ways you can start making money right now. So stick with me and make sure you stick for number 4 because that's the one that I call my hidden gem, the one thing that hardly anyone talks about. So if you're new here, hi, my name is Miriam, and on this channel I share real opportunities, real ways you can actually start making money, remote jobs tips, and how to build income streams, especially for young people who don't want to just wait till someday before they take control of their lives. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, please stay tuned and keep watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. So one of the easiest ways you can actually start earning as a young person in 2025 is by posting, guys. Yes, by posting online. It's not news that most of these social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and even Twitter, which is now X, pays creators for simply posting online, posting content. For a platform like Twitter, all you need to do is to create an account and tweet. It's that easy, guys. You just have to tweet. Tweet and build your account. Once you hit 5 million impressions in 90 days, you get monetized. That's simple. And please don't let the 5 million impressions scare you away. You can easily get people's attention and build these impressions, especially on trendy topics. And guess what? There is always something trending. There's always something trending on Twitter. Or am I wrong? We all know that I'm not wrong. And I know people who are doing it in just 6 weeks, just by being consistent, because you have to be consistent when it comes to posting and actually building these impressions, right? And trust me, you can post anything that resonates with you and your audience. So if you're on Twitter and you're just watching others go viral, please switch gears, switch it now. Start posting daily. Give yourself, let's say, 60 days and watch the impressions flow in. And before you know it, the dollars will start flowing in as well. So what are you waiting for? What is stopping you? Because it's free. You do not need to pay for anything. You do not need to no need to, the only thing you need to pay for is your data, and you just need your phone, and your words, and you can start earning anywhere from $50, $100, and even more. Depends on how much you build your impression. You understand? So that's a really, really sweet passive income to have. You're just typing, posting, and then money is flowing in. How sweet is that, guys? And guess what? If you don't want to be officially known for posting on Twitter, maybe you don't want people to know you, you can just use maybe a cartoon picture or something and create your account and start posting. It's that simple. And you might be like, I don't even know what to post. See, if you know about finance, maybe you know about tech, you know about health, or anything of value, just talk about it. Teach people of what you know, teach people about what you know, share value, share your thoughts, be funny if you have to be, or maybe what it's like to do job hunts. Maybe you're a fresh graduate that have been looking for a job. Share your story. Some people are going to resonate with you. You're going to find people that actually have similar stories and they resonate with you, they relate with your content, even if it's not perfect. So you don't have to be thinking about, oh, my content has to be perfect, because let's be real, even silly posts, the most silly posts that of, they go viral, if they have with the right audience. So this post, if this post can go viral, then yours too can also go viral with consistency and with the right audience. So don't let the confusion of what you're going to post stop you from doing this. So like I said, instead of just consuming this content, start creating your own. Turn that screen time of yours into an income for yourself. Moving on to number 2. So one of the fastest ways of making money as a student is by acquiring a skill. Yes, I said it's a skill. And when I'm talking about a skill, I'm talking about a soft skill, skills that don't require you to actually have a big office setup, or a special certification. For example, you can offer customer care services, social media management services, graphic design services, content writing, even community management. Yes, people need you to people have communities that they've created, groups that they've created, group chat that they've created, or blogs and they need you to like manage it for them. So all of these services you can actually offer them if you have those skills. And guess what, guys? You don't even need to look for these people too far. Like you can find them on social media platforms like Twitter, LinkedIn, TikTok, even Shopify. All you need to do is to just go on this platform and just type in business owner, or whoever you're looking for, maybe business owner, startup founder, whoever you would like to work with. Just typing in the search icon in whatever platform you're using, and voila, it's going to come out, and then you can pitch to them. And if you don't know the right way to search for these people, just go on your ChatGPT and say, give me keywords that I can use to find maybe e-commerce brands, for an example. Then you copy those keywords and then you paste them on your search icon on whatever platform you're using, and you see that the people they are looking for are going to just come out, and then you can pitch to them. Now here is a tip: if you're still in school, please just try to like take on work that will not consume all of your time. Don't apply for jobs that will keep you glued to your laptop or to your phone all day, that will affect your schooling. Just go for like flexible ones like social media management, graphic design jobs, or even some customer care jobs that you can take on your own schedule. So be mindful of that. But if you're like a fresh graduate, you can try things like call center jobs. Just make sure to pay attention to the time zone, like the time zone differences, the difference in time zone, because many of these jobs are from abroad. So take note of that. So yes, acquiring a soft skill and actually offering it online is definitely one of the fastest ways to making money, even as a student or a fresh graduate. So let's talk about number 3, and this one is your hard skill, the skill that you can actually do with your hands. So for example, let's say you know how to sew and you're in school. You can actually just start telling your schoolmates, your classmates that, okay, I can actually sew, I can make clothes for you. Students attend lots of parties, lots of dinner parties and all of those things, and most of them are willing to pay to look good. So why not just tell them that, oh, I can make this clothes for you, and you make it for them and you make your money. Or maybe you even know how to make shoes. Like in my own case, when I was in school, I was really interested in making leather shoes, but I didn't have the time to start learning them. So I had to I found somebody that was already producing it, and then I bought the shoes from them at a cheaper production price, and then I told the person the kind of designs I wanted, and then I bought them and then came to school to sell it, and it went well. I made money from it. So yeah, you can do that as well. And even if you don't have the skills yourself, like I said, you can actually do what I did and just buy and resell. That's business. So you can just try that out. And for those watching outside Nigeria, it also applies to you. You can offer maybe now to make hair, or you know how to like cut people's hair. You can offer to like barb your classmates' hair, and then charge them for it. Or maybe you are good with school projects and all of those things, or maybe you're good at a particular subject. You can offer to tutor your classmates or younger students, or you can assist with final year projects, with formatting, editing, and all of those things. Some of these things I did them when I was in school, trying to hustle and all of those things, because sometimes the skills that we actually overlook are the easiest to monetize. So don't sleep on your value. Use them and make money from them, guys. See, the key is to let people know that you can actually do these things. Create that awareness, and that is how you make money. Put yourself out there, create that visibility around what you can do, and you see that the money will start flowing in. People will know you and they'll reach out to you, and then you offer your services and you make money. So before I share the favorite one on the list, which is number 4, the one that can literally pay you while you sleep, please make sure to go ahead and subscribe. Just pause, subscribe, like this video, and subscribe. Now let's get right into it. Now this one right here is my favorite because it's more of a passive income stream, right? You do the work just once, and then you keep making the money again and again. It's like my little money hack. So I love this one so much. I'm talking about selling digital products. Yes, you can create something like maybe like an ebook, templates, printable planners, designs, or even online guides. For example, let's say how to how to bake. You can just put together an ebook, and target 10 easy cake recipes, and you can sell it on Amazon, Etsy, Seller, Payhip, or even to your own audience on WhatsApp or Telegram. And here's the good part: even if you don't know how to design or format this product yourself, you can actually delegate to somebody. Find someone that can create a design for you, agree on terms, and once it is yours, you can sell it over and over again and make your money. Like you're sleeping and you're making money. It's sweet passive income to have. And these products don't even need to be expensive. Like you can sell this for $2, maybe $3 or $5. People buy them because they are cheap. and useful. So when the money keeps coming in, you see that you've made so much money over time. And that's why I call this one my hidden gem, because you build it once and it pays you over and over and over again. And finally, let's move to number 5, which is for you to become an influencer. But before you roll your eyes, hear me out. Hear me out. I know not everyone wants to, show their face online, so I'm going to just break this down into 3 options. Number 1 is to become a user-generated content influencer, UGC influencer, right? So if you're good at selling or you're good at explaining products in a way that is relatable, that people will understand, brands want to pay you for this. So you can reach out to brands and tell them, I can market your products for you in this way, these are my audience. And then, so let's say you already have like an audience that, you can market to. So just reach out to this brand and tell them, this is what I can do for you. And, and you can start influencing their products. Simple as that. Secondly, let's say you don't want to like show your face. Maybe you're shy like me, you can start, what's it called? You can start a faceless YouTube channel. See, these people, there are so many faceless YouTube channel out there and they're making so much money, guys. Channels like this one, they're making so much money. Like, so just check them out and see if it's something that fits you. You can start a channel telling people about Bible stories. You can share motivational content, voiceovers, relaxing music. You can do quotes, anything, or even things to make people laugh, and it works. So you can check out these channels and see how they're doing it, so you have like more insight on how you can go about it. And it's very easy to start. So yeah, that is something that you can actually do to make money as a young person in 2025. The third one is for you to start tutoring online. Maybe you're skilled in a particular subject. You can start, offering your services as a tutor. You can go on Cambly to register. I think Udemy also does that. So you can submit yourself as a tutor and then start making money, with the skill and value that you have up there. Don't just allow it to just stay there. Use them to make money for yourself. So here you go, guys. These are the 5 solid ways you can use to start making money as a young person. So don't sleep on it, and let me know which of these 5 ways you'll be trying first. Just let me know in the comment section, because I really want to hear from you. I would like us to put in our effort, look around you and see, what can I offer? What value do I have to actually offer and make money for myself? So let me know which one you're going to be trying and tell me in the comment section when you try them out. No more I'm broke. So just try this out and you see that you will never go broke again. And if you're still feeling a little bit confused about where to start, or you just need someone to guide you step by step, don't worry. Just click the link in the description and reach out to me, and I'll be glad to walk you through the whole process of, starting out one of these things. And if you found this video helpful, please do not forget to like, do not forget to subscribe and share it with a friend that needs to start making money in 2025. See you in the next video, and thank you for watching. Bye.